Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to save thousands on car insurance in 2026. The average American driver pays over $2,000 per year for auto coverage, and most are dramatically overpaying without realizing it. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn the exact strategies that smart drivers use to cut their premiums in half, the hidden discounts insurers don't advertise, and the costly mistakes that quietly drain your bank account every month. Whether you're a new driver, a longtime policyholder, or shopping for the first time in years, this guide will hand you the playbook to keep more money in your pocket without sacrificing protection. Before you can save, you need to understand what you're actually paying for. Car insurance has 6 core components: liability, collision, comprehensive, uninsured motorist, medical payments, and personal injury protection. Liability is legally required in nearly every state and covers damage you cause to others. Collision pays for your own vehicle after an accident, while comprehensive handles theft, weather, and animal strikes. Many drivers pay for coverages they don't need, like collision on a 15-year-old car worth less than the deductible. Knowing exactly what each line item does is the foundation of every dollar you'll save going forward. Insurance companies use dozens of factors to set your rate, and many are within your control. Your credit score, driving record, annual mileage, zip code, vehicle make and model, age, marital status, and even your occupation all influence your premium. A single point improvement in your credit score can save you hundreds per year. Driving fewer than 7,500 miles annually unlocks low mileage discounts. Switching from a sports coupe to a 4-door sedan can drop your rate by 30%. Understanding which factors carry the most weight lets you make targeted changes that produce real, measurable savings on your next renewal. Here's the single most powerful savings move: shop your policy every 12 months. Loyalty is punished, not rewarded in the insurance industry. Studies show drivers who compare quotes from at least 3 carriers save an average of $800 to $1,200 per year. Use online comparison platforms to pull side-by-side quotes in minutes. Don't just accept your renewal notice. Call your current insurer with competing quotes and ask them to match. 9 times out of 10, they'll find a discount you didn't know existed. Set a calendar reminder 30 days before every renewal and treat it like a mandatory financial checkup. Discounts are where the real money hides, and most drivers leave them on the table. Common ones include multi-policy bundling, multi-vehicle, safe driver, good student, defensive driving course, paperless billing, pay in full, telematics, military, employer affiliation, and homeowner discounts. Bundling auto with home or renter's insurance alone can save 15 to 25%. Telematics programs that track your driving habits reward safe drivers with up to 40% off. Always ask your agent for a complete discount audit. Many discounts are not automatically applied, and a 5-minute phone call can permanently cut your bill by hundreds of dollars. Raising your deductible is one of the fastest ways to lower your premium. Going from a $500 deductible to $1,000 typically reduces collision and comprehensive premiums by 15 to 30%. The catch: you need that deductible amount sitting in an emergency fund. Equally important is right-sizing your coverage. If your car is worth less than $3,000, dropping collision and comprehensive entirely often makes financial sense. On the flip side, never skimp on liability. Minimum state limits are dangerously low. Carry at least 100 over 300 over 100,000 to protect your assets from a serious lawsuit. Let's talk real numbers. Sarah, a 34-year-old in Ohio, was paying $2,200 a year. After improving her credit, bundling renter's insurance, enrolling in a telematics program, and switching carriers, her premium dropped to $980, a savings of $1,220 annually. Mike, a 60-year-old retiree in Arizona, dropped collision on his paid-off 10-year-old SUV, raised his deductible, and took a defensive driving course, saving $640 per year. These aren't outliers. The average reader, who applies 3 or more strategies from this guide, reports saving between $700 and $1,500 in the first year alone. Here's your action plan. This week, pull your current policy and list every coverage and discount. Next, get 3 competing quotes using a comparison tool. Start at insurancecompare.9gg.app to see the top carriers in your state instantly. Call your current insurer with those quotes and request a discount review. Adjust your deductibles, drop unnecessary coverage on older vehicles, and enroll in a telematics or safe driver program. Finally, set an annual reminder to repeat this process every 12 months. Saving thousands on car insurance isn't luck or insider access. It's a system. Apply it once, and you'll keep that money in your pocket year after year. Drive safe, save smart, and we'll see you in the next video.